This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using Vivaldi on Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see I have my bookmarks bar displayed up here. But to show it or hide it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Vivaldi logo up here. You want to click that drop down. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, right down here you see Bookmarks. You want to click on Bookmarks. And then right in this area right here, Bookmarks Bar, right here, Show Bookmarks Bar. If this is checked, then your bookmarks bar is being displayed. If it is not checked, your bookmark bar disappears. Then down below that, there's other options you can make. Select Bookmarks Bar's folder. If you click this drop down, you could choose the folder you want to use as your bookmarks bar. Off to the right of that, bookmarks bar position, top or bottom. Down below that, bookmarks bar display. Do you want to display text and icon, text only, icon only? Then down below that, there's a reset button. But that is how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.